Hey future data engineers, welcome back to our Apache Kafka series. Today, we're answering a foundational question. What is a Kafka cluster? Let's break it down with simple terms, real-world examples, and visuals. What is a Kafka cluster? A Kafka cluster is a group of Kafka brokers working together to handle your data fast, reliably, and at scale. If a Kafka broker is a single server, a Kafka cluster is a team of brokers. Why do we need a cluster? Here's the deal. A single Kafka broker can only handle so much traffic. But when you have lots of data flowing in from multiple producers and going to multiple consumers, you need more power. That's where a Kafka cluster comes in. Load is balanced across brokers. Topics and partitions are distributed. Redundancy and fault tolerance are built in. Real-life analogy. Team of warehouse workers. Imagine a busy warehouse. One worker, a broker, can't handle all the packages, so the company hires a team of workers, each one handling a share of the load. That's your Kafka cluster. Brokers working together to process, store, and deliver data. Real-life analogy. Team of warehouse workers. How Kafka brokers work in a cluster. In a Kafka cluster, each broker handles one or more partitions of a topic. One broker acts as a leader for a partition. Others are followers that replicate data for high availability. If one broker fails, no problem. Another broker can take over. Kafka's built for resilience. Cluster plus Zookeeper. Coordination. A Kafka cluster also uses Apache Zookeeper, or KRaft in newer versions, for keeping track of brokers, electing leaders for partitions, managing metadata and configurations. This coordination ensures everything runs smoothly and automatically. Quick recap. Kafka cluster. Group of Kafka brokers ensures scalability, fault tolerance, and high throughput. Distributes topics and partitions, uses Zookeeper or Craft for coordination, can process millions of messages per second. And that's a Kafka cluster. A scalable, powerful, and fault-tolerant way to process real-time data. If this video made it click, smash that like button, subscribe for more simplified data engineering, and let me know in the comments if you want a deep dive into Zookeeper or Kafka replication next. Hit the bell to never miss a Kafka bite. Catch you in the next one.